Have you ever signed up for a free trial only to find yourself locked into a subscription you never wanted? It's a common frustration, and Equifax is no stranger to this issue. Today, we're going to dive into how to cancel your Equifax free trial before it automatically converts into a paid subscription. Imagine this scenario. You're looking to improve your credit score and decide to give Equifax a try. You sign up for their free trial, thinking it's a no-commitment way to check your credit report. But then, a few weeks later, you find a charge on your credit card for a monthly subscription. Sound familiar? Let's avoid this pitfall together. Understanding the Equifax free trial. Before we get into the cancellation process, it's important to understand how the Equifax free trial works. Typically, these trials are designed to entice new customers by offering a limited time period of access to their services at no cost. However, if you don't cancel before the trial ends, you'll be automatically enrolled in a paid subscription. Cancellation methods. There are a few different ways to cancel your Equifax free trial. Let's explore them one by one. 1. Online cancellation. Log into your Equifax account, go to the Equifax website and sign in using your credentials. Find the cancellation option, look for a section labeled My Account, Settings, or something similar. Within this section, you should find a link or option to cancel your subscription. Follow the instructions. The cancellation process might involve confirming your decision or providing additional information. Carefully follow the steps provided on the website. 2. Phone cancellation. Contact Equifax customer support. Dial the customer service number provided on their website. Explain your request. Clearly state that you want to cancel your Equifax free trial. Provide necessary information. You might be asked to verify your identity or account details. 3. Written cancellation. Send a written notice. Write a letter or email stating your intention to cancel your Equifax free trial. Include your account number and personal information. Mail or email the notice. Address the letter to Equifax's customer service department and send it via mail or email. Tips for successful cancellation. To ensure a smooth cancellation process, keep these tips in mind. Act promptly. Don't wait until the last day of your trial to cancel. The sooner you act, the less likely you are to forget or encounter any issues. Document everything. Take screenshots or print copies of the cancellation confirmation page or any correspondence with Equifax. This can be helpful if you need to dispute any charges or address any issues later on. Review your credit card statement. After canceling your subscription, keep an eye on your credit card statement to ensure that no charges from Equifax appear. If you see any unauthorized charges, contact your credit card company immediately. Additional considerations. Equifax Identity Theft Protection. If you're enrolled in Equifax Identity Theft Protection, be aware that this is a separate service with its own terms and conditions. You may need to cancel this service separately. Refund policy. Check Equifax's refund policy to see if you're eligible for a refund if you cancel your subscription after being charged. Canceling your Equifax free trial is a simple process that can save you money and prevent unwanted charges. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily avoid the pitfalls of automatic subscription renewals. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.